How to use Windows Voice Access custom vocabulary. This tutorial shows you how to add specific words to improve dictation accuracy. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Accessibility. From there, click on Speech, then click on Voice Access. At this point, toggle Voice Access on. In the next step, once enabled, a voice access bar will appear on your screen. Following this, click on the gear icon within this bar to open Voice Access settings. Once done, click on Add to Vocabulary. From here, type or say the specific word you want added, like a name, brand, or technical term Voice Access commonly mishears. At this stage, if you have multiple words to add, type each one on a separate line. Keep in mind, click Add once you're finished entering your words, and Voice Access will now recognize them more accurately during dictation. Finally, test it by dictating a sentence using one of your added words to confirm it's now transcribed correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you use Windows Voice Access custom vocabulary, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.